What's going on, guys? Britta back with FreeCodeCamp's JavaScript course, and let's go ahead and jump into it. So declare a read-only variable with the const keyword. The keyword let is not the only new way to declare variables. In ES6, you can also declare variables using the const keyword. Const has all the awesome features that let has. Hold on a second. Didn't we already do this? Yes, we did. Okay, sorry. This should be exercise 10. All right. Add two numbers with JavaScript. Number is a data type in JavaScript which represents numeric data. Now let's try to add two numbers using JavaScript. JavaScript uses the plus symbol as an addition operator when placed between two numbers. My var now has the value of 15. Change the 0 so that the sum will equal 20. Okay. All right. Subtract one number from another with JavaScript. We can also subtract one number from another. JavaScript uses the minus symbol for subtraction. My var would have the value at 6. Change the 0 so that the difference is 12. Oh gosh, I'm bad at math in my head. So 45 minus 12. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, 45 minus 12, 33. Okay, so 45 minus 33 should equal 12. All right, don't laugh at my math, guys. All right, ask me later. Multiply two numbers with JavaScript. We can also multiply one number by another. JavaScript uses the star symbol for multiplication of two numbers. My var would have the value of 169. Change the 0 so that the product will equal 80. So times this by 10. There we go. Divide one number by another with JavaScript. We can also divide one number by another using the / symbol for division. My var now has a value of 8. Change the 0 so that the quote, so it's equal to 2. So 66 divided by 33 will be 2. All right. Increment a number with JavaScript. You can easily increment or add one to a variable with the ++ operator. I++ is the equivalent of I equals I plus 1. The entire line becomes I++, eliminating the need for the equal sign. Change the code to use the ++ operator on my var. So only change code below this line. So my var equals my var plus 1. So instead of doing all that, we're just going to do my var ++ semicolon. Run the test. Here's looking at you, code. Decrement a number with JavaScript. You can easily decrement or decrease a variable by 1 with the negative operator. I minus minus is the equivalent of I equals I minus 1. The entire line becomes I minus minus, eliminating the need for the equal sign. So change the code to use the minus minus operator on my var. So we're going to do minus minus semicolon, delete the rest of this. All right. Create decimal numbers with JavaScript. We can store decimal numbers in variables too. Decimal numbers are sometimes referred to as floating point numbers or floats. When you compute numbers, they are computed with finite precision. Operations using floating points may lead to different results than the desired outcome. If you're getting one of these results, open a topic on FreeCodeCamp forum. Create a variable, my decimal, and give it the decimal value with a fractional part 5.7. So let my decimal, only change it below here. So let my decimal, you need to go away. Let my decimal equal 5.7. Run the test. Multiply two decimals with JavaScript. In JavaScript, you can also perform calculations with decimal numbers just like whole numbers. Let's multiply two decimals together to get their product. Change the 0 so that the product will equal 5. So 2.0 times change the 0. So 2 times 2.5. All right. Divide one decimal by another with JavaScript. Now let's divide one decimal by another. Change the 0 so that quotient will equal to 2.2. So what can we do? 2.2 divided by 2. So this should be, it shouldn't be 1.1. It should be 2 times, so that the thing will be 2.2. 2 times 2.2 should be 4.4. 4.4. Okay. Finding a remainder in JavaScript. Example. The remainder operator percent gives the remainder of the division of two numbers. So 5% of 2 is 1. So 5 divided by 2 is 4 minus 1. 5 divided by 2 equals 2, remainder 1. 2 times 2 equals 4. 5 minus 4 equals 1. I don't really understand that, but okay. Usage. In mathematics, a number can be checked to be even or odd by checking the remainder of the division of the number by 2. Even numbers have a remainder of 0, while odd numbers a remainder of 1. Note the remainder operator is sometimes incorrectly referred to as the modulus operator. It is very similar to modules, but does not work properly with negative numbers. Set remainder equal to the remainder of 11 divided by 3 using the remainder percent operator. Okay. Set remainder equal to the remainder of, I don't know how to do this. The variable remainder should be initialized. The value of remainder should be 2. Const remainder 2. Right? And then remainder, what do we want it to be? Remainder equal to the remainder equal to 11 divided by 3. 11% 3? I don't think that's right, but let's try it. Yeah. The value of remainder should be 2. That was 0. The variable remainder should be initialized. The value of remainder should be 2. You should use the percent operator. So we are using the percent operator. 11 set remainder equal to the remainder of 11 divided by 3. So 11 divided by 3%. That ain't right. Remainder is read only. So this has to be set to 2 right here. Get help. Get a hint. Let's see. Find the remainder in JavaScript. Var remainder equals 11% 3. Remainder gets the value of 2. So any help would be, I put 11% 3 equals 2 for my answer, and it has a yellow caution triangle and says bad assignment pointing to equal sign. So var remainder, how do I just switch tabs here? I don't know. So let's go back here. Var, but this is resetting it. Var remainder, that can't be right. Do we get rid of this altogether? Yep, that's what it was. Okay, I thought we were supposed to leave that constant, which didn't make any sense to me. Alright, compound assignment with augmented addition. In programming, it is common to use assignments to modify the contents of a variable. Remember that everything to the right of the equal sign is evaluated first. So we can say my var equals my var plus 5. To add 5 to my var, since this is such a common pattern, there are operators which do both a mathematical operation and assignment in one step. One such operator is the plus equals operator. So let var equals 1, my var plus equals 5, console.log my var. Convert the assignment for A, B, and C to use the plus equal operator. So let A equal 3, only change code here. So you should use the plus equal. You should not modify the code above the specified element. Okay, so A plus equals 12 plus equals 12 plus equals 9 plus equals 7. I don't know if that's right. Oh, it was right. Nice. Okay, compound assignment with augmented subtraction. Like the other operators, subtraction subtracts a number from a variable. My var equals my var minus 5. We'll subtract 5 from my var. This can be rewritten as my var minus equals 5. Alright, convert the assignments again. So this is going to be minus equal, minus equal, minus equal. And then we just need to delete everything else in between it. Oh, wait a second. -6. And this one should equal 2. I messed up. Alright, so A should equal 5. So we got 11 minus 6. So A minus equals -6. That doesn't make sense. A should equal 5. 11 minus 6 is 5. My var minus 5. So let A equal 11. A minus 6. That should be right. But that's not right. Oh, do I delete this? Okay, so B, I think I'm not supposed to put a space there. C should equal minus 1. There we go. I guess I was supposed to leave a space in between the equal sign. That was the problem the first time. Compound assignment with augmented multiplication. The star equal operator multiplies a variable by a number. Will multiply my var by 5. This can be rewritten as my var times equals 5. Convert the assignments. Okay, so this is times, and times, and then we want to delete this and leave a space. Oh, wait a second. I just messed up. Reset. Delete this. Delete this. Delete that. And then add the multiplication. Run the test. Okay, you're out of sight. Compound assignment with augmented division. The divide equal operator divides a variable by another number. We'll divide my var by 5. This can be rewritten as my var divided equal 5. Convert the assignment. Okay, so I want to do this on all three. And we want to delete this. Okay. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and end the episode here, but I want you to let me know what you guys think of the FreeCodeCamp JavaScript program, and I appreciate you guys hanging out, and I will see you guys on the next one. Goodbye!